Recently I started having issues with the Rheem hybrid heat pump water heater. It started sounding off an alarm and displayed error code A108, condensate blocked, unclog line. The very first place you would want to check is this condensation line that comes out of the heater and goes to the outside of the house. And you can even see a little bit of sludge on the bottom of this drain pipe, but in my case, this is not the place where the clog happened. This typically is caused by dust, mold, or mildew. I poured some water in there and it was flowing freely with no obstruction. Another very important point is to remember to clean this filter, because that's what partially contributed to the issue we're having here. Another place where the blockage can happen, if you look inside of the unit, there's a small tray on the bottom of the AC condenser where the water and dust can accumulate and create this sludge. All of it needs to be cleaned out to get rid of the alarm and the error code. If you're comfortable, you can do it yourself, otherwise call a service technician and get the help. I personally used my shop vac and I attached a smaller diameter hose to it to be able to get inside of the unit to clean all of that junk inside. Right, I hope this information was helpful, and if so, please hit that like button. Thanks, have a nice day.